In this video, I will show you how to change Yahoo to Google Chrome. Now, first, what we need to do is we need to open up Google. From in here, you should see 3 dots in the top right corner. Click on it. From here, find Settings. Come in here and press on Search Engine. Now, once you're in here, make sure this is set to Google, the first one. Click on the second one. Manage search engines at site search. Now once you're in here, you scroll down a little bit and you will be able to see right here, you have Google, Bing, Yahoo, and other browsers if you had those. Go to yahoo.com, 3 dots, delete it, just like that. And from in here, make sure Google is set to your primary browser. You can do that by clicking on these and set to default. You see mine is default now. Now once you've done this, Yahoo will now be turned to Google Chrome. That's how you do it.